To use Zelle with Huntington Bank, start by ensuring you have a Huntington Bank account and the Huntington mobile app downloaded on your device. Open the app and log in to your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments and Transfers section, where you will find the Zelle option. If you have not already, you will need to enroll in Zelle by accepting the terms of service and adding your email address or mobile phone number. After enrolling, you can send money to friends, family, or anyone with a U.S. bank account using their email address or mobile phone number. Simply select the Zelle option, enter the recipient's information, and the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming, as once the transaction is initiated, it cannot be canceled. The recipient will typically receive the funds within minutes, although it may take up to 1 business day in some cases. To receive money through Zelle, ensure your email address or mobile phone number is enrolled and linked to your Huntington Bank account. When someone sends you money, you will receive an email or text notification, and the funds will be deposited directly into your account. For security purposes, only send money to people you know and trust, and never use Zelle to pay for purchases from unknown sellers. Additionally, be aware of any transaction limits and fees associated with using Zelle through Huntington Bank. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and easily use Zelle with Huntington Bank to send and receive money. If you have any questions or issues, you can contact Huntington Bank customer support for assistance.